Hi everyone! So today I thought I would do a little bit of a travel prep vlog. So I am traveling tomorrow night, so I will be just doing a few last minute things here and there. So I want to get my hair done today, so I've just freshly washed my hair and let it air dry, so it's almost dry, just so that the hairdresser can see, I guess, my natural hair. And yeah, so I'm gonna go get my hair done, and then I'm also gonna go get my nails done tonight. So at the moment I've currently got a red shellac, and I really like these, but they've really grown out now, and I just want to get a fresh manicure before I go travel. So I'll take you along with me in anything that I get up to, and yeah, I hope you enjoy. So I also just want to show you, I have actually washed my makeup brushes because I do want to take just a few makeup brushes on my trip. And what I usually do is I'll wash them with just water and either a makeup remover, kind of like a cream, or sometimes I'll use shampoo if I don't have that as well. So I just use some makeup remover, and I've just washed my brushes. So I've washed my brushes and I'm just letting them dry over here, just on an angle, just so that the water doesn't kind of go up into the brush and ruin the glue. And this is what I use to clean the brushes. So it's kind of like a silicone tool, and you can kind of use this to clean out the brush strokes. So you kind of just rub it onto that with water, and I used this makeup, it's kind of like a gentle cream gel face cleanser, so I use this to clean up the makeup from the brushes as well, because I'm almost out of that, so I wanted to use that up as well. I also just wanted to show my new setup in my kitchen. So I used to have a whole bunch of different things here, but I thought actually I would include my coffee machine. I've got the frother there as well, but it's just on the side. That's on the side for now. But I've got my coffee machine, I've got a few different syrups that we use for the coffees, and then I've actually decided to put this lamp that I'm usually, I don't know what to do with it usually, and I used to have in my room, but I thought I would just trial it out here in the kitchen, because I have seen you can put lamps in your kitchen and it looks really nice. So I've got this at the moment, and then just some of my utensils, more of like the wooden ones, and a bit of rosemary there as well, and a bit of plant, just to tie it in together. So let me know what you think about this as well. Okay, so this is the outfit that I'm gonna go for. So I'm just wearing my Coach bag. I've got a top, kind of like a bodysuit black top, this jacket from H&M. I've got these jeans and just my sneakers, my Vegas sneakers at the bottom. So yeah, let's go. So I just got back from the hairdressers, and I just got a little bit of a fringe, I guess, just framing my face, and I got a little bit of layers and just a bit of a trim, so my hair is all nice and healthy, and I'm pretty happy with it. I love how it turned out. I just thought I would quickly do an unboxing of my beauty loop from Mecca Cosmetica. So I'm a level 2, and they announced that they've got the boxes out, so I thought I would just open this up on camera. I thought I would just do it while I'm sitting down. So I've got the beauty box here, and I'll just open it up. So usually it just comes with a few things like this. So the first thing I've got is this Floral Street Wild Vanilla Orchid perfume. So it's just a little tester sample like this, and I feel like I'm gonna try it. This actually smells really nice. I do like it. I feel like it's quite strong of a smell, so yeah, I'll see how that one goes. It's a good test size, so you can always try it. The next thing I have is the Soap and Glory Flake Away. It's like a body scrub. I feel like this is good for traveling. Ooh. That smells really nice. Just got it all over everywhere, but that smells That smells really nice. It kind of looks like it's already been dipped into, but it's not. And then I got this Ren Clean Skincare Global Protection Day Cream. So I guess it's just a face cream that you can put on your face. It's in this cute little tube. I might try this out and see if I want to take it while I'm traveling. Yeah, it's really cute. It's nice. And then the last thing that I got as well is, ooh, so this is like a hair trio set. So we've got the Briogeo brand, and it's the Mushroom and Bamboo Color Protect Shampoo. And then we've got a conditioner and a primer. So that's interesting. I feel like that's kind of, I've never tried this one before, and I've never had like a little package like this, and I feel like it's good for traveling, so maybe I'll take this to travel as well. But I have to see what I've got to pack, so I might do my makeup as well today, figure out which makeup I want to take, because I've already washed my brushes, and I'm thinking to put some of my creams in little tubes just to save some space, but I'll see what we decide to do. It's always fun to get little bonuses from when you shop at a place and you get like free stuff, which is always good. She's just watching me. She's got her little bed on the floor there, but she prefers to be on the couch, on the blanket. Who wouldn't? So it's a little bit later now. I'm going to go and do my nails. So it kind of got dark when I got home, but these are the nails that I went for. So it's very simple, but to be honest, that's fine. I feel like it'll be easier to maintain. So I just went for bubble bath, shellac, and then I did a little bit of a blue heart, and same on the other hand as well. And yeah, that's what my nails ended up looking like.